The Dundas Harbour RCMP post opened in 1924. It was one of the government initiatives to protect Canadian sovereignty in the Arctic. The post itself closed in 1933. In 1934, the buildings were rented to the Hudson's Bay Company. It was reopened for a short time in 1945 as the RCMP detachment again, and it was finally closed in 1951 to resettle the detachment on Ellesmere Island. We're here today to stabilize the RCMP post at Dundas Harbour. The Nunavut government has asked us to step in to do that. We've got several buildings without windows and without doors, and we've also got one building that has been turned over completely on its roof, 180 degrees as of last season, and that is due to the very heavy winds that we get in this area. So we're going to brace that building. We're going to cover the windows and the doors for these buildings. The directive we have from the government is to do the minimum work possible and to keep the buildings safe. So this will ensure that before a full restoration begins of the site, which is the plan of the RCMP to do. This is the first time in the Arctic that Lindblad has been asked to secure a site that is at risk of damage.
Well, one thing that I really thought was neat about their restoration is that they're making such an effort to preserve that history. By doing that, they really allow people the chance to take in the full spectrum of what happened in the Arctic. And I was really inspired to see that happening on our expedition because it's an important part of our worldwide history, and it was neat to see that going on.
I think places tell stories just like people tell stories, so preserving those places allows people to come in and sort of interpret what happened in a whole different way. You let the place sort of speak for itself.